reckon when I count it all, first the poets, and then the sun, then summer, then the heaven of God, and then, oh then, the list is done. But looking back, the first so seems to comprehend for me the whole. The others look a needless show, and so I write of poets all. As summer lasts a silent year, they can afford such a sun. The East would deem extravagant, as if it was the final heaven. Be beautiful as they disclose to those who trust in them. It is too difficult a grace to judge